12 seconds.
They have 25.
Going to the hotel that we'll be staying in during the com. Got all our luggage. I've already seen so many like Cubans on the streets. Either like I recognize them or they're wearing Cuban shirts, which is very cool. This is it. Sheraton. I don't think I mentioned, but I'm staffing at this competition / volunteering. So right now we're going to pick up the volunteer staff. Today's the day before Worlds. At about missed it. And we're going to collect the volunteer goodie bags and stuff. Hello guys, now it is 9:36. Tonight's the night before Worlds, day 1, which is very cool. I'm very excited. It's kind of surreal that I'm here at all. Right now, I'm gonna get ready for a bit because I wanna get as much sleep as I can to be ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow there's a few events and Nations Cup and opening ceremony, so I'm really excited for that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. I didn't get that many clips before I had to compete, but this is what it looked like. There were so many people from all over the world keeping together. On day 1, I was competing in clock, 5x5, one-handed and pyramids, along with the Nations Cup at the end of the day, representing Singapore. So after attending the volunteer meeting, I did my first event, clock.
Singapore represent.
And then it was time for me to compete with Warren and Emmanuel in the Nations Cup. We were up against Japan, and this is how it went. After competing in that one round, we got to watch the other countries battle it out for the winner of Nations Cup 2025. By the time the whole thing had ended, it was already about 10 PM, and I found the mass exodus of Cubers and their families to the nearby hotel incredibly amusing.
To a hotel. This is so crazy.
Yeah, just keep the door open. So I was competing in a few events on Friday, but my main event on that day was definitely Megaming's first round, which was scheduled to happen at around 4 PM on that day.
8-7.
It's day 3. Are you gonna do my vlog? No. It's day 3 of World Champs. We're still in the hotel, but we're walking out from our room. And we're going to the venue, which is a very short walk away. See you there. Mega round 2 and finals today. I hope we make finals. And then it was time for the most important round for me in this competition, Megaming's semi-finals, which will determine whether or not I get a spot in the 2025 Megaming's World Championship final. Had I practiced for 3 years and flown 13,000 kilometers just to not make the top 20? I had accomplished my goal of making the finals. And even though I was about to compete on the biggest stage ever, I knew that what happened then didn't matter because I had already accomplished my goal.
Group 1.
After 3x3, I had about 1 hour to get myself ready to compete in the 2025 World Championship Megaming's final. And so, after completing my volunteer duties and doing a couple of mega solves, it was time. After packing up, it was time to watch the long-awaited 3x3 finals. After that thrilling 3x3 final, I got to receive the Female World Champion prize for Mega Mix. And that was the end of the Rubik's WCA World Championship 2025. First shoutouts go to the best volunteer team, Team 9. While volunteering was tiring, I'm so glad that I did it because I got to meet, talk to, and bond over cubing with all of them, which was honestly such a cool and fun experience. Also gotta thank the fellow Singaporeans who went. Hearing the Singaporean accent so far away from home was a core memory, and it was great seeing y'all. And it was also great taking photos with all these people. Worlds was hands down my most favourite competition of all time, and I enjoyed every moment being there. Huge thanks to my parents for making this trip possible, Cubeworks for their continued support, and for everyone else who made this competition as amazing as it was.
Oh my goodness, it's hugging me.
Wow, look at that.